So in this video today, I'm going to be making some potatoes and cabbage. Now this video today is part of a collaboration called Quick and Easy Meals, and this is being hosted every Sunday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It doesn't matter what you bring, whether you're bringing breakfast, lunch, dinner, dessert, you're grilling outside, you're taking out, you have delivery, whatever it is, guys, you can bring it to the table. We're so happy to have you. Now, the hosting this collaboration is Jean Home Decor and More, Simply Grace Lifestyle on my main channel, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. We have Jennifer at Home, and occasionally my Mountain Home and Kitchen. Now, since I'm only making this meal for myself and maybe have a little bit extra, we're just going to use 2 Idaho potatoes. You can use any potatoes you'd like. We're going to go ahead and dice them, and then I'm going to go ahead and put them in a pot of boiling water with a little bit of salt. Now, I'm sorry, I said Idaho potatoes, but they are russet potatoes. I guess it doesn't matter, guys. Just choose the potatoes that you like. I put them, like I said, I'm making them mashed potatoes in this particular meal. So these are going to sit in there a little bit longer so that we can have soft enough potatoes to make mash. Now here, I'm going to cut a piece of cabbage, and this is the organic cabbage from Walmart. I'm just cutting a piece enough. You'd be surprised how much cabbage you get out of this. And then you want to go ahead and slice it as thin as you want. I want them pretty thin, I guess. So I'm going to go ahead and slice this, and then I'll be right back. Now, heading on back to that pot of potatoes, I went ahead and drained the water and dropped some more butter. In this particular dish, guys, we are using lots of butter, and I'm loving it, guys. And you can salt and pepper to taste the potatoes, leave the pepper out, just use a little bit of salt, totally up to you. And then we'll move on to the cabbage. Okay, so I moved the potatoes over to the side because those are done. I'm going to go ahead and grab some more butter. We're going to go ahead and drop the cabbage in here. And once again, I'm doing a little bit of salt and pepper. We're going to keep this very simple, guys, and very buttery. Now, it seems like I'm doing everything separate, which I am, because last minute I decided I wanted to do sauteed onions and butter as well. So we're going to let the cabbage cook, and then we're going to go ahead and flash cook the onions. Now, doesn't this look amazing, guys? I absolutely love cabbage. That's why. But it looks so yummy. Now, this cabbage is definitely done enough, so I'm going to go and get a plate so we can go ahead and place that on the plate as we move on to the next step. So here I am cutting the onion. I'm pretty much going to do the same step as I did with the cabbage. So we're going to slice that up, and then we're going to saute it in the pan with some butter. All right, so we're sauteing this. I already mashed the potatoes off camera, and so this is going to be ready to serve shortly, and then we're going to head on over to the reveal. Now, I apologize because I didn't tell you about the theme of this dish. So we are cooking a St. Patrick's Day dish, and it doesn't matter what it is. I was reading up on this, and I found this cabbage and potatoes dish, so I thought this was appropriate. I'm sorry, guys. Doesn't this look absolutely amazing? And there's no protein in this dish. Let's head on over to the reveal. To me, it looks absolutely delicious because I don't mind missing the protein. It is so yummy, guys. I tasted it. Great. I can't wait to dig in. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.